Carly can see what
Olivia, thank you.
No problem.
There's an envelope in there too, isn't there, Mike?
Yeah, am I supposed to open an envelope?
Huh? Thank you. You're welcome. Just what I want.
Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Dad.
What a hookup right
You're
here.
welcome.
Just from thank you
Oh,
very much.
I also got this for you, Carly.
I want to put this on right now.
Put it on.
What is
Touch
that?
it.
It's hot. Cat.
5,000. Oh no, a 50, I guess.
What is Olivia
This
doing?
is such a different kind of feeling.
She heard her name and she looked right up.
inside.
She doesn't know what to
Where can I put Carly's
Kinda
gift?
lost.
Right here.
Oh yeah.
Olivia.
We hope it
She can't
fits.
see you because I'm looking at you.
Do you think it fits?
What'd you say?
Aunt Carly's talking to you.
I think so. Yeah, it's definitely long enough. It's good.
Sarah said extra
I
L.
think so. Yeah, that's,
Yeah.
that's way good. Thank you very much.
From Mike. Should we open it? Here, thanks, Barb. Here.
You're welcome.
I really don't have anything
Wow,
ready
let
either.
her
We thought it was kind of Christmassy. No, she's pretty busy. Good. Thank
All
you.
right.
Dad, I didn't get a little bag.
Pass on Becky here.
Huh?
I didn't get a
Do
bag.
that.
Oh, you want me to go get that bag?
No, I didn't get my bag.
What bag?
Get a picture. He didn't get a picture.
Everyone else got a bag.
Yeah, I got it for you.
I didn't get one.
Sarah, but my